So guys, a few days ago I ordered a few things for my DJI Mavic drone. So that is the drone which I have, which is the Mavic 2 Zoom, right? So the problem is that these drones batteries don't last much. So I ordered a few things, thought of making this video and share it with you guys that what you need if you are buying a drone. So let's go ahead and use our trusted knife and start unboxing it. So guys, I just purchased this DJI accessory and it costed me £259, and I'm just going to show you what it is. So here it is, guys. This is it. So this is the DJI FLY MORE kit, and I think that, you know, it is seriously a piece of equipment which you need if you have the DJI Mavic Zoom and you're planning to take it outdoors and you want to fly it for say 1.5 hours. You definitely need this kit, otherwise it'll be just a pain in the butt to charge your battery after 20 minutes because it lasts 20 minutes. Plus you need, it comes with an extra set of propellers and it comes with this car charger as well. Guys, let's run through the packaging a little bit first of all. So guys, this is the box, right, which is the DJI Mavic 2 FLY MORE kit. It's sealed, right? On the top it's plain. On the side it says DJI over here. On the other side it says DJI. On the bottom there's just a packaging crease, and on the front obviously it shows you all the items which come in the box. It comes with a carry case, 4 propellers, 2 intelligent flight batteries, 1 car charger, 1 charging hub, and I think that's another charging sort of hub. Okay, so on the rear it tells you it's manufactured in China, and it gives you the serial number, the EN number, and it says Mavic 2 Party 1 FLY MORE kit. Okay, so that was the box. This is the DJI FLY MORE kit. Now, the first impression, I can say that the bag is quite heavy. Obviously it's got a lot of accessories inside, and on the side it comes with this it's like a net on the side. Both sides have got this net. Then it's got this area where you can put on a sling, and on the top it has this handle, and on the front you have a zip, probably a pocket. That's how it is. And on the top you have the zipper, and on the right you have another zip. So let's go ahead and open up the Velcro. So let's go ahead and open up the front zip. Let's check out what's in the front. So in the front, so you have 2 sets of propellers. Yeah, so things are quite stuffed inside, but I'm guessing that you can put in your drone afterwards. So it comes with this first box, right? It says Mavic 2 FLY MORE kit, doesn't say much, that's it. And then it comes with this box, so 2 boxes. And what else comes in the box? Yeah. So inside you have 2 sets of batteries. That's basically, it's discharged at the moment. When it's charged it'll turn green, and then you have another battery, right? So these are these 2 sets of batteries. Okay, so that is the charger. That's the car charger. That is the important thing which you need if you are basically going out. You really need this car charger, because without the car charger you'll struggle. And the car charger comes with this adapter. So I think so this adapter has the capacity to actually rapid charge. Might be some compatibility thing, but that point goes into the battery. and I'm guessing that should fix like that. So if you want to charge a single battery, so that is the charger, the 2 batteries. And let's see what's in this box. So that is the strap for the bag, and that is the charging hub. So when you have multiple batteries, you need this charging hub to charge the batteries. So that is the charging hub. So this is where all the batteries would fix. So 1 and 2. So in terms of the materials, it's quite plastic, but it seems to be like very high and good quality plastic. Yeah, so what you need to do is you need to basically plug the charger from here, and that's where your batteries would start charging. So one battery is obviously with the drone, so it makes it more easier to actually charge it. So I'm just going to start using this and this. So guys, this really concludes my video for the DJI Mavic Fly More Kit, and it's a brilliant piece of kit. I think if you are planning to go outside and if you want to fly your drone, I think then you really need this kit. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it that thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel, and I'll be posting other videos in relation to this DJI Mavic Pro, and hope you guys enjoyed it. Alright guys, thanks for watching my video, and catch you in my next video then. Bye for now guys.